What is going on? Yo, what are you doing? Why are you, is he blowing it's him? What the fuck? Yo, what the actual fuck is going on? Am I tripping, yo, there's no air left in there, dude. Hey, Weapon, how was that?
How was what?
Was it good? Yeah, we gotta fucking go, dude. That was the most W backup air horn prank of all time. Yo, we got y'all good. Yo, stop blowing it. There's no more air left, bro. No, deadass that whole time, bro. I kept hearing, he's still doing, stop. He's trying to inhale it. No, that's not good.